If you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, small business owner, or anything of the likes, it is so common for money blocks to come up during your business journey. Being in business for yourself is not an easy feat, especially when you're the one who is in charge of everything, including the pricing of your products or services in a way that feels good and fair to you, all while ensuring that you have enough of the right customers and clients being attracted to you, your work, and paying you for the value that you provide. However, consciously or subconsciously, you can sometimes get in your own way and block some of the wealth and abundance you wish to invite into your life. So in today's video, I'm talking about 3 major ways you could be experiencing money blocks in your business. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah. I'm a money mindset and abundance mentor and creator of the digital courses Manifest Money on Demand and Activating Abundance. I have gone from being a broke, starving artist to a multiple 6-figure entrepreneur once I understood how important actively working on your money mindset is. And my mission for this channel is to help you rewrite your beliefs about money and abundance so that you can live a full and thriving life based on your idea of what a thriving life means to you. I also host the For the Love of Thriving podcast with brand new episodes dropping each week, which I'll link in the description below if you want to check those out. It would really help the growth of this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. Now, having said all of that, let's dive right in. If you're new to the term money block, a money block is a series of subconscious thoughts, a mindset or a feeling that gets in the way of you accomplishing financial success, prosperity, and abundance. The block can affect any area of your money journey, including getting out of debt, saving money, increasing your income streams, or affording the lifestyle of your dreams. And so many people don't realize that they even have a money block because they believe and accept that where they are currently financially, if they're not satisfied with their status, is ultimately their destiny, which is not true, as their current financial results are a result of how they think and feel about money. The good news is that these thoughts and feelings that you have around money can be changed at any moment in time, and it's just really up to you. These blocks can become so apparent in your own business because perhaps you're not super confident in your work or your value or your pricing just yet. But these 3 tips should help you get into action and make your blocks around money get a whole lot smaller. The first money block blocking you from experiencing abundance is not having an offer for people to buy from you. This is a really important one. So when it comes to providing value for someone, you must have something to offer in order for the value exchange to occur. If there is nothing on offer, of course no one will be able to pay you, because when was the last time that you paid for something blindly or that didn't even exist? When it comes to offering something to your community or your clients, it doesn't have to be anything huge. It can be as simple as an ebook or an hour of consulting time or a workshop replay, or maybe a book, an online product like a course that will provide significant value or transformation, maybe a physical product. Whatever it is, you just need to have something. So starting small can often be the quickest practice run for you to work on providing something of value in the market. Because if you spend 6 months creating a course over having something small, quick and tangible, you aren't allowing yourself to receive a flow of money. And this is a block worth exploring as to why you may be procrastinating or feeling afraid or anxious to get something out there. I want you to start thinking about what is it that you could offer that is of value, and you can create this value exchange between yourself and your customer or client. The second money block blocking your abundance is not making it easy to pay you. So it'd be so lovely if people just knew how to miraculously pay you so that you could wake up with money in your inbox without you having to do any extra work. However, no one is a mind reader and no one is constantly focusing on your business like you are. So you need to make it easy for people, or what I like to call via the path of least resistance. Because most business owners, especially in the early stages, make this idea of getting paid like a game of charades. You go to someone's website and there is no work with me button or book a session with me or a call to action or course tabs on the menu bar. On a sales page, you might need to scroll all the way down to the bottom just to find the enroll now or join now button, even though someone is so ready to work with you and doesn't need to read through the entire sales page. It might sound so simple, but so many entrepreneurs have a mentality of people should just know how to pay you, when people really don't have the time to go through all of these loopholes. This block can often derive from feeling afraid to be seen, therefore you subconsciously hide, and maybe there's some imposter syndrome going on as well. But the more you can continue to let people know how to work with you, you're really making everyone's life a whole lot easier. A few places you can include your link are in your social media bios, Instagram stories, intertwining your offers in a natural conversation through stories, descriptions or captions like in this video. I'll have my links to my programs and everything else in the description below. Having buttons above the fold on your website, just simple things like that. You just want to make life easier for you and for others. The last money block blocking your abundance is not working on your money mindset. So often people think that if they worked on their money mindset once or taken one course or maybe did one journal entry, however you work on your money mindset, that they're going to be good for the rest of their lives, that they don't need to do any more work, but this could not be further from the truth. So when you grow, earn more, pay others to help you, or have more mouths to feed, your money blocks never truly go away. They just shift and change depending on the level of your financial success that you've achieved. Therefore, this is why I preach that money mindset is a journey and a process over a lifetime. The good news is that you're not alone. Everyone has fears and blocks around money, even the ultra wealthy, but you can simmer them down a little bit by working through them rather than allowing them to have power over you. You are allowed to create wealth and abundance for yourself. You're allowed to live a thriving and have a thriving business. And when you train your mind to understand that wealth, prosperity, and abundance is your natural birthright, you get to create massive ripples through the world with your mission. Now that you know these 3 blocks that could be potentially hurting your financial success and business, I want to hear from you. So which one resonates with you the most and which one are you committed to working on? Be sure to leave your responses in the comments. I'd love to have a read and see what is currently blocking your path to financial success. If you found this video insightful, useful, or inspirational, I would love to hear from you. And also be sure to keep connected with me by subscribing to my channel, as I'll be adding more videos based on tools and techniques on reprogramming your subconscious mind, money mindset, and money blocks, and so much more, so that you can live that full, wealthy, and thriving life that you know you deserve and desire. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. And if you're ready to transform your relationship with money and go even deeper on redefining wealth and abundance for yourself, I invite you to check out my programs, Manifest Money on Demand and Activating Abundance, which are linked in the description below. I would love to guide you if it's a right fit. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on thriving and take care of yourself.